Best tanning oils with SPF. In this video, we'll review the best tanning oils with SPF.
So to get started, tanning oils with SPF protect your skin while helping you achieve a golden glow. The SPF level you choose will depend on your skin type. For sensitive skin, choose an oil with higher SPF like SPF 30 or 50 to provide adequate protection. One highly recommended product is tanning oil with SPF 30. The oil not only helps you tan slowly and safely, but also protects against harmful UVA and UVB rays, reducing the risk of sunburn. Tanning oils with SPF also contain moisturizers like aloe vera, which suits your skin during tanning. Another great choice is an oil with SPF 50. While the higher SPF might slightly slow down the tanning process, it offers superior protection against sun damage. Ensure that you reapply the oil every 2 hours, especially if you're swimming or sweating. Just take note that however you tan, it is always important to tan with SPF protection. And that is the best tanning oils with SPF.